as you guys can see from the title, it's another unboxing video. So I bought this from a shop. Normally I would never ever buy a palette, especially a powder palette from overseas. The reason why is because during the delivery process, I mean the shipping process, there are a lot of cases where the product will break. So it's not the seller's fault, but because of the long distance, those things can happen. But the reason why I bought from the seller is because I read all the reviews and the rating was so good. Like no one, like literally no one complained about their palette being broken or whatsoever. So after seeing all those ratings, I got sucked into it. So I was like, I think I need to buy this. And it seems really trustworthy. So it just arrived today. And even without opening it, I can feel the bubble wrap and it just feels so sturdy. And I really hope that my palette is not broken. If it is broken, then I will be the first customer to receive a broken palette. So the other details as in the price and the shop, I will list it all in the description box below. So if you guys are interested after watching this video, you guys can check it out. Okay, so I don't have anything else to say, so let's get started with the unboxing. I am honestly so excited. So let's get it open. I'm trying to be careful and not pop the bubble wrap because I want you guys to see how they wrap it. Alright, so this is what is inside. As you guys can see, they wrapped it with this bubble thing. I don't know what it's called, but it is super sturdy. Like look at the packaging, it's so nice. Thumbs up. Props to them for wrapping it so nicely. This is the second bubble wrap layer. I can see their effort of wrapping this product. It's just so nice. I mean, I know that to some people, the wrapping does not mean much, but if you buy products like this, like powder palettes and so on, if it is not wrapped properly, it will get destroyed. Like I've seen Shopee reviews on eyeshadow palettes where some people receive their palettes like completely destroyed. As a customer, when you receive that type of product, you'll be so sad and you can't even like ask for a refund because it's not the seller's fault. It's like the courier service that made it like that. So yeah, when I see their effort to wrap my products so well, it makes me so happy and I feel like my products came here safe. And even though I have not opened all the products yet, I think that they will all be in perfect condition. Alright, so let's start with the first product from in here. This was in the middle here. So this is actually a product from O.TWO.O. I did not buy this from O.TWO.O. I bought this from the same seller. This was all in the same seller. But I saw that they carried O.TWO.O. So I decided to just buy it because it was already on the same seller. I did not feel like going to O.TWO.O and buying it like separately. So I just got this O.TWO.O contouring palette. So in this palette there are 4 shades. I don't remember what number I got it. Oh, okay, here. I got it in the shade number 2. It says here grooming powder. So let me open it and show you guys how it looks like. Ta-da! So this is how it looks like. This is the back. And let me open it up. Here are the shades. It looks totally gorgeous. Let me swatch out a few of them for you guys. I'm not sure if you can see, but this is how they look like. But yeah, so this is how it looks like, and I'm not sure what else to say. I need to try it out before I can say more. So let's just move on to the next item. The next item in this packaging that I'm gonna open is this. This is the highlight and contour palette from Beauty Glazed. So let's give it. So it came in this plastic wrap, and it looks so pretty. Can you guys see the packaging? It looks so pretty. So the box packaging and the inside packaging is the same at the back and also the front. So it opens up like this, and this is what you get. It is actually a pretty big palette. I thought that it would be smaller than this, but yeah, it comes in a really big palette. It's like about this size. One side is the product, and the top part is a mirror. It's a full mirror. I'm gonna swatch a few of them because I cannot. I'm looking at it. I just feel so excited. Is my hand clean? Okay, let's see. Oh my gosh, the bronzer feels so smooth and creamy. I mean, it's powder, but it just feels so like, oh my god, it just feels so soft. So this is how it looks like. Over here is the bronzer, and these are the two highlights, and the end here is the blush. The highlights are quite pigmented, and the bronzer, I'm not sure. I've never really used bronzer before, so I'm really excited to play around with it. So yeah, this is what the palette contains, and it's actually really cute, and I'm just so excited to try it out. So now let's move on to the eyeshadow palettes. Okay, let's start with the big palette. So this is what's inside. Oh my god. I don't want to cut the bubble wrap because I want to pop it. Okay. Wow. So this is how it looks like. So it's wrapped in plastic. I have to take the plastic off. Oh my god, I'm just so happy to see pretty packaging and packaged so nicely. Oh my god, guys, just look at that. Look at the glitter and tell me it's not beautiful. Look at it, it's so gorgeous. I mean, I would get this just for the packaging, honestly. I don't care what's inside, but just for the packaging, it's so pretty. It's not just like plastic, it has texture. Yeah. So, are you guys ready? I want to open this up. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god, it is so it's beautiful. I'm so excited to play around with this. Oh my god, I just have to show you guys. Okay, you guys ready? 3. Oh, can you see how gorgeous this palette is? Like, oh my god, it is so pretty. Let me take this off. So it's a mix of matte eyeshadows and also shimmer eyeshadows. So I swatched out a few colors for you guys. Oh my god, it is just so pretty. I mean, I'm not sure how it will work on my eyelids, but just looking at it is gorgeous. It's gorgeous. And I'm just so excited to be playing around with it. So this is, oh my god, I am in love. Like, seriously, I'm in love. I just want to start playing around with it. Oh my gosh, just even the inside packaging is just so gorgeous. Like, look at all the glitter. Like, I just want to play with it because it's so pretty. Oh, I just want to like display it. Okay, I might be overreacting, but I don't have a beautiful palette like this. So yeah. And it is darn cheap. I think I got it like at 14 ringgit without shipping, of course. It's so cheap and so pretty. I definitely recommend this. You guys should definitely check out the seller. Okay, so now let's go on to the last palette. So this is what I got. It's a glitter palette. It says here on the box, pressed glitter. So it is also by Beauty Glaze. As you guys noticed, three items that I bought are by Beauty Glaze. I'm not sure about the brand, but yeah, looking at the packaging and the product, they're not bad at all. It's just so gorgeous. I mean, if you're like me and can't really buy like, high-end products, and even for me, when I go to like Guardian or Watson, like I will buy their products on discounts because I just feel like they are quite expensive for what we get. And when you go on Shopee, you can see much more of a variety. So, which is why I usually buy things on Shopee. So, okay, so enough of that. Let's continue. The packaging is the same as the box. So yeah, let's open it up. Okay, let's just open it together. I don't know if there's a mirror in here, but okay, let's take a deep breath. One, two, three. Wait, is that how you open? Oh, okay. Okay, I don't know if it's okay, but let's open it. One, two, three. Ah, okay. The one, two, three is not gonna work. Let's just open it. Okay, how is it, guys? I have not seen it. Okay, I'm gonna look at it. Okay, one, two, three. Oh my god! Oh my god! It's so pretty. Oh my gosh! Oh my god! Oh my gosh, guys. Just look at that blue color. Look at that striking blue and tell me no. Tell me that it's not beautiful. You can because it is so gorgeous. Oh my gosh. Okay, it's the moment of truth. Let's swatch it out. Okay, I'm ready. I'm ready. Okay, let's do it together. I'm gonna put my finger in here. Rub it a few times. Oh my god, look at that. Oh my god, look at that. Okay, my favorite color is purple, so I need to swatch out the purple. I'm going to go for the dark one. Let's try it out. Just one, two, three. You guys ready? How is it? Oh my god. Oh my god, guys, look at that. Look at that. Oh my god. Are you serious now? Do I need to say anything more? Like you can look at it and you can just see how gorgeous it is. I am just so excited. I mean, like when I read all the reviews, I was like, I know this purchase is gonna be great. Like I just felt it. Like I think I bought all of these products for 50 ringgit, including the shipping. So can you imagine if you go to like Watson's or Guardian, you can only get like one palette, and I got like four palettes. I'm just so excited. I just want to share you guys, which is why I make videos. I mean, like, I don't do it for the views or whatsoever. I just want to share. I mean, I don't want to show off or like anything like that. It's like it's not that is not the reason. It's like even if I don't make videos, I will still buy it. So it's like when I make videos, I just want to share the happiness, and like I want to share those type of shops that like you can get these great items at a low price, and it will make you like so happy, because like you might think like you can get those type of product like with the money that you have or whatever, it's not in your budget. But then you watch this type of videos and you find out, yeah, there is like those type of products that you can get that is within your budget, and it will make you so happy. Look at all the colors in here. Like I will definitely check out the shop and see if there's anything else that I can buy. But most probably for now, I will not get anything because this is more than enough. So, oh my god, I'm just so happy. Like, all my products came in perfect condition, and the quality is just top notch. It's just so nice, so pigmented. My favorite is definitely this one. I thought that my favorite will be this Impress You palette, but this wins. Like 100% win. It's just so gorgeous. Hi everyone. So I tested out the palettes and this is the look that I got. Not sure if you can see. But yeah, I really enjoyed playing around with the palette, and it's just so gorgeous, and you can make many different looks with it. So yeah, I'm just behind a curtain to have this background. Look at the glitter. Okay guys, so if you enjoyed this video, please give this video a thumbs up. And I just want to let you guys know that every comment that you write down for me, I truly appreciate it. And thank you so much for giving the comments. And yeah, that's all for today's video. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye!